Hello. Today we have a package from my friend Zippofanatic77. Now, I know some of this is, but he said he was sending some extras. I haven't opened this up yet, obviously, because why would I bother doing all of this on camera if I had? But this, I know what it is. This was sold on Zippo.ca. They didn't have it on Zippo.com, but they had it on Zippo.ca. For some weird reason, it's been there for a while. This is this is the Lady Barbara. It's like $100 and something, except for some reason they had it on, once again, Zippo.ca. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Well, as you can see there, it's bent and it was in the package, so there's that, craftsmanship there. If I shove this in there, it's gonna mess up the Zippo. Yeah, look at that. Well, that's just absolutely awesome. So maybe that's why they had them on Zippo.ca for so long, because these were done in the 90s. Although, I think it was supposed to say something on it. I don't think this is the one they had advertised on their website. Well, it just looks like I got screwed completely on that one. So, watch out, Zippo.ca. That was kind of messed up. Not what I was expecting at all. Can't really do a review on something that's completely messed up. So yeah, that's annoying. Sorry for that. But what do we have in this one? Once again, I know some of the stuff, but I don't know it all. As far as I know. So, hey, it's a nice tent there. Oh, that's awesome. Pull here. That's awesome. That's hilarious. Hell yeah. Oh, green masking tape. Yeah, well. Okay. Well, now it's all over my fingers. All right. What all do we have in here? Okay. Now we're getting to it. All right. That stamped one that he made. I think this is a steel case. It certainly looks like it. It's full of rust in there. But that feels real good in the hand. Let's see here. I guess I could be doing this on camera, huh? Seems like Zippo insert's having a time trying to get in there. Doesn't look like it seals all the way properly, but that stuff can be adjusted. Yeah, feels really good though. Yeah, I like all that. You can see the Zippofanatic77 logo there. Like the little hash marks on the lid there, so you can get it open real easy. Not that it's hard to open a Zippo, but I'm just saying, I'm sure it would probably be decent with tricks. Yeah, I like it. But that is a tight fit in there, though. That's for sure. Okay, number 2. Oh, and this is what I've been waiting for. I'm sure of it. I mean, obviously it has to be. Yep, a hot-ass Velma lighter. That's pretty awesome. With Zippo Daily Fix on it. And a Zippo. Zippofanatic77 and his emblem on the side. This is super nice. I've really been wanting this one. So, let's go ahead and see how this one feels. Yeah. Feels pretty good. Oh, I totally dig this. Oh, and the light catches it a perfect way. Looks really nice. Yes. This is what I've been waiting for. I will probably use this one for a while, but then it'll probably go up in the glass case. Probably pull it out here and there. Personally, I like to rotate my Zippos. I like to use my Zippos all the time. So that's why you don't really hear me talking about whether or not a Zippo gets a lot of use or a lot of lasting time or lighter fluid or anything like that, because personally I don't care. I normally don't even fill up a Zippo to capacity, because the longer that Zippo lasts, the longer it's going to take me to swap out to another Zippo. I like to switch through Zippos and use different ones all the time. I have so many of them, it's almost like if I don't, then I might not ever get to use them all. Plus, some of them are unused. I don't really bust open the vintage unused ones, but sometimes, occasionally I do. I busted one open the other day that I bought just because I thought it was nice. And I wanted to try using it. I wanted the feel of the hand and everything. So, yeah, I don't really care about the whole does it last and stuff like that. All right. Look at that. Some nice stickers. I'm sure I will figure out a good place to find to put these Zippo Mafia stickers. I sent plenty of them too. I'll definitely be able to find some places. Maybe find some weird public places to throw some Zippo Mafia stickers. Well, awesome. The Zippo Fanatic Customs. Those are awesome. They feel great. I can't wait to use this one. I'm immediately going to start using this one. But it definitely sucks that the one that was bought from Zippo is expensive and a bust. So watch out for that. It's just, yeah, a complete disappointment on that. But if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.